so it's kind of hard to hook them. On! Whoa, got it! Got it! Alright guys, welcome back to another video. BayJoua right here, and we're gonna be fishing at Ken Ripley again. Vu's right there, he just got here. That's him right there, that's the man. Yeah, we're gonna be fishing at the same lake. Now we got the canoe right here, so it's gonna be us two hunting down on these big moas. Look at this guy coming right here. Oh shit, are you ready, bro?
Let's get it.
Yeah, shit, let's go.
Shit. My rod.
Yeah, you're right, I got you. Yeah, we're ready, man. Hopefully we get on them. And today is really hot. It's 100 right now. It's 100 degrees. Okay. So I'm gonna loosen up.
You got it right here.
Okay, so now your side is loose, so you can go unhook it. Okay, so for this one here,
yeah.
I lift it, you unhook that partner, that hook, yep. There we go, keep pulling it. Okay. Alright, we're gonna, okay, let me go first. Alright, we good, Vu, let's get it. This is Vu's first time we'll be fishing on a canoe. So he's been on a canoe before, but he never been fishing on it. Hey Vu, let's go on the left. Yep. We are tying this black and blue Senko to Vu. This is the Gear Yamamoto Senko. It's known to be killer. Hopefully Vu get him. Get him, Vu. Hey, I think let's move. It's too loud here. It's too much commotion. We have to catch something, Vu. We're gonna catch something good. Why does the canoe keep turning this way? Oh, it came off? Oh yeah, bass, they love these. Oh, there's a bluegill right there. They love these vegetation. Oh, see, that's a bass right there.
Where?
Dude, it's a pretty big one.
Who?
He just ran away. He got spooked.
House?
Yeah.
Who?
Vu, they should be in here. They will be in here, watch.
In there?
Somewhere in these weeds. Yeah, you see? Here's a frog. See, there's like the hook is kind of hidden, so it's kind of hard to hook them. On! Whoa, got it! Got it! Got him! Oh, this one's not bad. Oh, it came off! Oh my god! Vu! I'm getting pissed. Oh, there's a big wave right there. Oh, there has to be. Dang, there's a lot of bass here actually. Oh, is that a snake? Vu?
Where?
You see that shit moving? I think that's a snake.
Snake or beaver, dude?
No, snake hole.
Who?
It got a long neck, dude.
Where?
Can't go haul. It went down.
Oh yeah, there's fish over there. It did mine.
Got it this time. Got it. Oh, this one's not bad. Dude, this one is big. This one is big. Oh, this one is big. Yo, this one is big. Finally got it. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude. I'm trying to flip again.
Whoa, look. This is what I'm talking about, dude.
Yeah.
It went right in the mouth. Yeah, this is top water right here. Yeah, that boom, boom, boom. On this popping frog, live target right here. Pushing two-ish. Good bass. Let's get more, Vu. So because it's hot, I'm guessing they are hiding under these bushes.
Yeah, look, it's a turtle, man. I think that's what you...
Oh yeah, I think that was a turtle. Yeah, see, I saw that head coming out like that. Got him, got him. Oh, this one's not bad. Oh. Oh no, came off. That counts. Yeah. That counts, right? It hit the canoe. Oh, they love this frog, dude.
What kind of fish is that? Like
which one? Where? Oh, those might just be bluegills or a crappie. Oh, that's an... Oh, got one. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, came off. I shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah. I mean, people's business is work. And, I mean, right now it's like,
Oh, is that a fish? Oh, fish on, fool.
yeah.
Oh, nice. Easy, I got you. Oh, that might be a good one.
No, it feels pretty weak.
Oh. Whoa, are you sure?
Yeah, it feels pretty weak.
It's stuck? Hey, don't force it too much. It might snap because the line is small. Whoa, are you sure?
Yeah.
Here. Whoa, I think it's a big one, dude. Let me just get... Oh. Hey, it's not bad. A fish is a fish, right? You can't discriminate.
I don't think it's fish.
Okay. Fart. Oh, it might be a big bass. Dude, that shit does not want to go in. Be like, yo, what's going on?
I think she lost it.
Hey, where's the bass? Oh, right here. Yeah. Here's the bass. Here's the bass that the couple caught earlier. Yeah, they got a big hook stuck deep in his mouth. Yeah. This is probably 2 pounds and 4 ounces. Sucks, man. Yeah, he's dead. There's no way he survived that shit. top water. Come on. I believe in you. Come on.
It's on, baby.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Hey, I got you. Keep the tension on. We're gonna go get it. You got a small line. I got you. Oh, damn. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Was it like a top water?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Oh, it went under.
Oh, it might be a big one. Be careful.
No,
Keep-
no, it's a small one, but...
Keep the tension on. Ooh, right over. Oh, okay. Look at you, dude. Damn, nice.
Hell yeah.
Oh, shit. You want a picture?
Nah, this one's too small, dude. The other one, the first one I caught was bigger.
Nice. How you feeling, Vu? How was that top water? Was it good? Nice. Ooh, I see that. Keep the chest. Ooh, what the? Ooh, top water, baby. I got you. That one seems bigger, right?
No, it's smaller, dude.
Oh,
Way smaller.
yo. Hey, that's a good action, though.
Yeah.
Be careful, you might get hit by a big one. Ooh, I see. Hey, that one do seem bigger though. Ooh.
I saw him there too. I was waiting for it.
Ooh, come here. I got you. I'll net it. Keep reeling it. Oh, that one seems bigger, dog. Yo. Bro, give me a fist, dude.
Shit, what the hell? Why are they popping up out of nowhere now?
They only bite yours though. They don't bite mine. What the heck? Damn, that was a good hook set too. Here, let's take a picture, dude. Dude, go higher. Bro, you gotta teach me your way.
Now that one, I kind of saw it already. I think that one.
You saw him coming up?
No. He was waiting on that spot. I saw the water move a little bit.
Oh,
So I was like, okay, I think there's something there. So I brought my lure there. Waiting for
bam.
it. Yeah.
Oh, so that's what top water is, you know, like you see, boom, that shit splash. But how do I not get any bite though? You've been getting bites back to back. What again? Fool, what the heck? Oh my god.
Hey man, we can't move from this spot anymore.
How are you catching fish back to back?
Oh, small.
Oh, just
Yeah.
take the fish. Let's keep going over there. Hopefully we catch bigger bass. Alright, let's go forward. March. Oh, got one. Oh, yep, got one. Oh, came off. Oh. You good, Vu? I didn't hit you, right? Oh, he's not too big, but what a fighter, though. First cast on this Moto 5. Bam. Oh. All right, guys, this is it. I don't know if y'all can see me anymore. It's all dark, but we did good. We did good for today. A lot of people riding boats, fast jet ski. So it pressure a lot of fish. It scares a lot of the fish. So we try our best. We still manage to get a lot of action, a lot of fish. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.